everyone, this is Carlos, and today's video we were going to unwrap my packages that I bought in Lazada. But remember, this is not a sponsorship in any merchandise that I bought. But before we unwrap the video, let me tell you first the difference between unboxing and unwrap. When I received some of these packages in Lazada, I think I should call it unwrap because it wasn't used in a box, because the unboxing was mentioned in a box. Your item was in the box while your item was in a wrapping box. I think it's gonna wrap or something. So with no further ado, let's get started unwrapping my things that I buy in Lazada. In this first package that I received, I'm going first to open it using my scissor. Oh my goodness! Let's see, it's a tag, I think. Did you know these were used in a car? But the reason why I had this scissor is because I'm going to cut, and because I don't have car and I don't have some place to use. Instead, I'm going to cut it with these. Okay, there, separated. And also, he has also a hat which also isolated. See? I tried to remove because I'm not gonna use it in a cast. Because when I ordered these items, it was used in a car, they said. But I'm not gonna use it in a car. Instead, I'm gonna keep it here inside at home because I'm scared, because I think it might be fell apart if I didn't use this properly. Or if I gotta use it outside in the car, it might be blown away or something. The second item that I'm going, this is also my second item that I'm going to open. Oh, not just one, two items. There are two items, and I'm going to first open this one. And these were the toys that were likened by my little sister. Lake, come here please.
Hi.
These toys were for you.
Aww.
You're welcome. But wait, there's more here. So sorry if I. And also, Only 2 years ago, I think, the second sequel of Frozen was released, and I don't watch Frozen, so I gotta give it also to my little sister.
Thank you very much.
I would like to apologize that I didn't buy Olaf because I don't have any money. Okay, for the last two of the package that I open up, I'm gonna take a look for myself for what is this. Porky! Well, that's all for today that I bought from Lazada. And if you notice that that I ordered is not so easy to buy because all of them were so freaking expensive. I have also another unwrap video, but first I'm going to click wherever you want to see my first unwrapping video. Also, by Lazada. Remember, the video is not sponsored by Lazada. I just only want to share my unwrapping video because from this day, it's my vlogging anniversary of the first Carlos TV. Remember? Always remember that spending is not a power. That's all for today. See ya next week.